Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve battery life on your XIAOMI 17T Pro. First, what you guys want to do is turn off always on display. So we're gonna go over into the settings, and now in the settings, what we need to do is we need to go over and scroll down until we see personalization. Here we click on always on display, and we want to make sure that the switch is gray right here. So as you guys can see, here we have the always on display. Now it is enabled, and as you guys can see, this is how it works. We definitely do not want it because it is just taking our battery. That's why we want to disable it. And what are we going to do next is we're going to shorten the screen timeout. So to do that, we need to go to display and brightness. Here we need to scroll down, and of course what we need to do here is click on the lock screen. Now here we have the sleep, and as you guys can see, we can also go over, and here we have home screen. So here we have every other option, and of course we change that. And now what are we going to do is we're going to disable vibrations or haptic feedback. So go to sound and vibration, now scroll down, and here we have haptic feedback. As you guys can see, we're going to disable it, and we can also disable vibrate for calls and in silent mode. And of course after that, what are we going to do is we're going to restrict some background app activity. So we want to go over, and for example we can go to apps and here find the apps. But the best way to do that is actually just going to the battery, and here we have something called the let's say the battery usage. Now we're gonna click on the app, and here we have something battery saver. We're gonna click on restrict background apps, and now it won't run in the background. It means it won't waste your battery for nothing. And what are we gonna do next as a last resort is simply use the dark mode to save the battery. So to do that, go over into the display and brightness, click on dark mode, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.